everyone. Hope my friends, classmates and teachers are fine and safe. I am Isha Bhatt from class 5th A. I am here to talk about the importance of prayer. Prayer is most for everyone. Prayer binds us together with God. Prayer binds our soul, mind and soul together. It gives us strength and courage. It provides us peace, comfort and consolation. It is our opportunity to spend time with God. It is necessary to keep us on the right path. God listens to the prayer of only those who are good and noble. Prayer is a powerful weapon. Thank you.
Good morning, sister, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today my topic is importance of prayer. Prayer is one of the most important thing a Christian can do. It is a time they are communicating with God, and it should be taken very seriously with a deep technological means in prayer. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dear teachers and students, today's my topic is mango. The mango is the king of fruit. The raw mango is green. They has a sweet taste. The ripe mango is yellow. It is very sweet. It is a summer fruit. The mango starch are grand inside. The make jam and of it we eat its tasty is better.
Welcome. My name is Kusti Solanki. I am studying in 5th A. My topic is my country India. India is also known by the name of Bharat and Hindustan. In India, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christian live together in peace. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India has the 2nd largest population on the world. India is surrounded by water from 3 sides. There are the numbers of small and big rivers which flows in India like Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. The national flag of India is tricolor flag. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana, which composed by Rabindranath Tagore. The national song of India is Vande Mataram, which
Hello everybody, good evening. My name is Armenia. I am here to tell an essay on the topic My Country. The name of my country is India. India is also known by the names Hindustan and Bharat. India is a democratic country. India is also known across the world for its rich culture and traditions. There are many different religions in our country. It is 7th largest country in the world. It is also second most populated country in the world. My country believes in the slogan Unity in Diversity. India has diversity in language, food, folk dance, clothes, culture and traditions. I love my country and I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you.